Today we are discussing the file handling program in which we are taking the input and we are going to write that into the file. So first of all we are starting this program. Now hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file for printf and scanf functions. Then hash include conio.h, which is console input output header file for clear screen and getch functions. Void means no return type. Main is the driving program, main program. Now, first of all, we are saying char ch. So one character variable is defined ch. File star fp. We know that this file is the data type and fp is the file pointer. So one file pointer is created, and then we are saying clear screen for clearing the content on the screen. fp, which is file pointer, is equal to fopen. Now with the help of fopen we are going to open the file. The name of file is file.txt. So one file is created and the name of file is file.txt. We can put any name, whatever we want. Comma W means writing mode. So we are opening this file into the writing mode, means we can only write here at this time. Now printf enter data to write in the file. So this is a printf statement. So message on the user screen, enter data to write in the file. Now while one is the infinite loop which is going to iterate n number of time until break happen. We must know one thing, 1 is for the true value and 0 is for the false value. So when we are applying while 1, the meaning is that it is true. So it is always true. No condition is checked. So it is going to iterate n number of times until there is some breaking condition. Now ch is equal to getChar. Well, this is the getChar function. With the help of getChar function, we are going to take out the character from the user. Get character. There are two different functions. One is getChar and one is getC. Both are different. getC helps in the file, whereas getChar helps in the user. So getChar, now it is asking from the user, it is waiting for the user, give me some character. But user has given the complete string instead of character. User has given complete name ANKIT space VERMA and press enter. We know that once we are going to press the enter, the input is going. And we also know this enter means is /n in the programming. So in the programming area, there in the memory, temporary memory, ANKIT space VERMA/n is there. Now program is going to read that. So first of all, the first character read is ch. Although we are giving the complete input together, but program will read it one by one because we are using the get character function. It will read one by one. So the first character, which is A, is taken and stored to the ch. So A is stored there. It will come afterward if character is equal to /n. Is character a /n? No, it is not a enter. It will not go to the break. Break will not run. It will come down. F put C. This function we have learned already. File. Put means writing. C means character. Write the character onto file. Ch means where the character is placed. So ch means A is placed here. FP means file pointer, and we know that file pointer is pointing on the file. So here means on the file you are going to write the character A. So this A character is going to write inside the file. So now successfully the character is written here. This is the infinite loop which will go to n number of time until false. So again it will go while 1 coming down. Again ch is equal to get character. Now the next character which is n is taken. It will replace the previous value with the n. Again it is not a enter, so break will not run. Next time again it will say put character onto the file. So again this is going to the file n. One more time I am explaining. Again it will go back. It is the infinite loop coming down, taking one more character k. Now this k character is going in the ch, and afterward it is not enter, so it will also put into the file. So again it is going into the file. So this way the loop will continue. It is keep on going, and all the characters ANKIT space is also a character VERMA that is taken. Now all the characters are successfully completed. Now the turn of slash n. Once the slash n will come, it will check if character is slash n. Yes, character is slash n. Break, so it will break and come out. Now it will come here. F close FP means file is saved and closed. So file closed now. The part of file is over. Remember one thing. Whenever we are opening the file with the help of C programming, we can open the file for one mode only. We have opened the file for writing mode. We have successfully written the file and we have closed that now. Next task is to read the file. Again, same process. We don't have to create the file pointer again because FP is already created. So we can say that FP is equal to F open. Again we are opening the file.txt. So the above file is again open. One more time it is open. In the reading mode. So this time the file is there in the reading mode. If I again put this one, so the same file is open. Earlier it was in the writing mode. Now the same file is there, file.txt, with the help of the same file pointer which is pointing to the file in the reading mode. This time we are not going to put inside, we are going to take from the file. Now we are saying a message printf data in file. So the message on the user screen, data in the file, while one. We know that while one is the infinite loop which is going to run until some false condition or break happen. Now it will come down. Again we are having the ch variable, whatever the value early of ch variable was. Maybe I am assuming the ch value earlier was slash n, on which the loop was false. Now ch is equal to f get c. F means file, get means reading, c means character. Read character from file, and we know that already in the last statement we have put ANKIT space VERMA inside the file. Now it is going to read the first character. So the first character is A. So that character A is going inside the ch now. The reverse thing is going. So the value of ch will be A. If ch is equal to end of file, we know that while we were learning the getC function, we know that the last of the file, this place of the file is named as EOF. Means wherever the last character is there, after that we are having end of file. End of file means there is nothing after that. So It is not the end of file, it is the first character. So break will not happen. Now we are saying printf percentage C ch. So percentage C will take the value from ch. Now you can see that the A character is displayed on the screen. A. Afterward it will again go back. Now it is an infinite loop. Again it will say ch is equal to f get c. Read the character from file pointer. So the next character read is n, and that is going into the ch. So this is the n character. This n character is not the end of file, so break will not run. It will print the character onto the screen. So n is displayed. Similarly, I am taking one more time. The loop will again go back. While one it is an infinite loop, maybe there are 100 of characters, it will read 100, no problem. Come down, ch is equal to f get c, means reading the character from file through file pointer. So next character k is taken, and now the value of k is into ch. The ch is not the end of file, so here it will print it, and printing means k is printed. So this way it is going to run n number of time until all the characters are displayed. So all the characters are displayed like this till A. It is taking from here and display all the characters. Now it will reach to the end of file. Once the end of file will be there, now it will see if ch is equal to eof. Yes, it is the end of file. We have displayed all the characters. So break will happen and break will make the program out. Now F close. Closing the file. So this time the task of reading is done, and now we are going to close the file. And one more thing, where that file is created, once you are completing the writing step, means the first step was completed for the writing. After that, if you are going to the bin, you know that if you are using the Turbo C, in the Turbo C there is a bin folder where your all programs are saved. In the bin folder, you will go and see the file is there. This is the name of file, and in the file you can see that the same name is displayed, which you have mentioned. Okay, so this type of file will be created inside the bin folder, and getch will hold the screen. So this is the program of file handling, which is very important program, and this program will help you in approximately all the questions asked in the file handling.